our ability to adapt, empathize, and lead with purpose defines not just our success, but the legacy we leave behind. It is through thoughtful dialogues and decisive actions that we transform problems into progress. In order to inspire change and build a brighter future. Greetings of peace to everyone in presence. And of course, nevertheless, to our distinct Board of Judges. Thank you for sharing your expertise and time today. Educational institutions need to strike a balance between skills training and values formation in order for every student, particularly every Notre Damean, to be holistically developed through the mind, the heart, and the soul, in order for every student to be empowered and to create a sense of balance. Nowadays, educational institutions, namely Notre Dame schools, have acquired quality education to enhance every Damean's knowledge and skills, and they have implemented values that could instill the hearts of every Damean to build character. In skills training, it is important to the athletes so that they can know what games they are playing. They would know the rules and regulations of what they will play on a specific competition. In values, it is important for every athlete to instill values because it will build them character, will foster teamwork, and will have the essence of success. So, ladies and gentlemen, skills and training and competence and values formation would help and be essential for every Dameans or every students that surrounds us, because it would give a student to be holistically developed through the mind, the heart, and the soul. Because I firmly believe that once we foster knowledge and values, we will create a future that will be positive for the future generations to come. Thank you, and God bless us all.